Just hanging out at the shop, getting ready to finish a color fill on a custom Gen 5 Glock 19. Got a blacklist barrel and a couple of internal trigger mods, stuff like that. See if we can get this thing rolling back on track and out to the field to test fire it. This is a new method that I'm trying for the color fill. I want to see if it works out the way it's supposed to here. Basically baked it on like Cerakote, and if it works, I'll continue to use it. If it doesn't, I'll try a different method. At any rate, I'm anxious to see. I cured it in the oven. You come in here and lightly wipe it with a flat hand, or flat finger anyway, and it doesn't look like it's holding up that well. So basically I'm going to have to go back through and redo it with Cerakote, because this stuff did not take the way I wanted it to.
Wait, so what was it supposed to look like? Like red right
It was
there?
supposed to be red on the inside. The color fill area was supposed to be red. I'll show you on the
It didn't do it.
on the slide. I think it works out pretty well. It did not on this though. See, like that? See how it color fills?
Yeah.
The area is too big and it didn't hold well.
Wait, so what is that part for the gun anyway?
This is the barrel. This is a blacklist barrel. I think they're great barrels. A lot of people seem to like them. This one's actually threaded. We've actually got factory barrels that people took out to put these barrels in because they're good barrels, and they shoot really flat, really straight, and they look really, really nice, if you ask me. And at any rate, let me see here. I've almost got this done. And then I can do the slide. See how that turned out red, the 9x19. And then I need to grab up here my brush. And what I'll do is I'll come in here with my brush and whoop, and scrub it out. See, it sticks really good down in there, which surprises me, because if it stuck that well, it would be awesome. It's just not. It aggravates me. But at any rate, that's what's going down on the blacklist. It looks kind of ghost, huh?
Yeah.
How it's kind of tinted red.
Yeah.
And the top looks really red. That looks kind of cool, I guess.
Yeah.
Kind of ghost in there. It won't last long, but it'll be worth a try.
Dad, I'm gonna do something so fire if you talk.
Alright, so coming back in, scrubbing on the Glock barrel still. Trying to get what's left of the color out of there, out of the blacklist portion. And the rest of it turned out really nice. As far as the 9x19, I think that looks cool. It's a custom little accent, you know. Now, this is what I was talking about in regards to this. Watch. You come in here, grab it, and you give it a quick wipe. And come back here, give it a quick wipe. There you go.
That looks nice.
See the red? Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then I'll do the same to the other side and try to pull it off over there too. See how it comes out. So hit it with, this is acetone that I'm using, by the way. Fresh ass. Or, I know acetone is spelled A-C-E-T-O-N-E, but I put fresh ass.
Yeah, it's down there somewhere.
There's dirty ass and fresh ass. Right now I'm using the fresh ass, which is what I use for when I soak my parts before I Cerakote them. I put them in the fresh ass. The dirty ass is after I do the gas out process. But anyway, I know I shouldn't be saying bad words in front of you, Emma, my 9-year-old daughter. I'll say 20 Hail Marys tonight before I go to bed, or whatever they're called. Yeah, this stuff didn't hold up that well either. See how it's coming out? That's alright. I'm going to actually use Cerakote and do it that way. That just led me to another project for further, further on down the road type thing. But yeah, just little things going on here at Mil-Spec Machine Shop and Precision Gunsmithing in Phoenix, Arizona. You never know what we're up to. It's always pertaining to customizing firearms, so if anybody has any work that they want to get done, our lead times are really good. We are an FFL licensed, so
it's like your first video, basically, right?
yeah. You guys can ship your weapons to us, and we can get them sent back as quickly as possible. And we guarantee anything that we do for work, we back it 100%. So have confidence in the fact that you'll get what you paid for. You will not get the quality workmanship from anywhere else. So give us a call. Look us up. Mil-Spec Machine Shop and Precision Gunsmithing in Phoenix, Arizona. We'd be more than happy to help you out. We do slide milling, RMR cuts, anything, vortex venoms, any type of red dot. The milling, we do slide milling, slide porting, custom slide cuts. We do barrel clipping, threading, clips, pins, welds. We do custom Cerakote work. We do any type of Cerakote work. It's usually all custom. Anything outside of the factory color would be custom. So we do it all, and be more than happy to do your weapon or your knife or your wristwatch or your glasses or cell phone case or whatever it may be. Heck, send us your cell phone. We'll Cerakote that. Look us up, Mil-Spec Machine, MILSPEC MACHINE @gmail.com. That's milspecmachine@gmail.com. 1L, MIL.
I'm gonna end the video now, okay?
Stay over there though, just